And I had one good idea, perhaps the best idea of my life, which was to go to the editor of the newspaper where I had done some internships while at AUBG and to ask them, why don't you send me to Brussels to be your correspondent covering the European Union? When I graduated from AUBG in 2005, it was a time of great promise and great idealism in a way, because Bulgaria was just about to join the European Union. And I had one good idea, perhaps the best idea of my life, which was to go to the editor of the newspaper where I had done some internships while at AUBG and to ask them, why don't you send me to Brussels to be your correspondent covering the European Union? Of course, I expected them to laugh and send me back to the intern desk, but I said, well, actually, good idea. And so I went to Brussels. Along the way, I did a master's at the University of Maastricht, and then I spent about 10 years as a journalist in Brussels. Of course, correspondent to NATO and the European Union is what a lot of journalists do kind of as the peak of their career, not at the start of their career. So I had a lot to learn. It was a very interesting period, and I did learn a lot. Then eventually I moved to the European Commission, where I worked for Commissioner Kristalina Georgieva, who was the Bulgarian commissioner and a very impressive person. So I learned a lot from her and from my work at the Commission about communication and about the European institutions from the inside. And then eventually, about 6 years ago, I moved to NATO. And I've been working there as a press officer, and now I'm leading the media operations, working for the Secretary General. I'm here for a conference, so a bit like in the old days, I'm here for a lecture, but this time I'm going to be speaking to the students. It's a conference organized by the university with the support of NATO, and the focus is on disinformation and political contestation. The key message is that disinformation and political contestation are here to stay. They are very complex, and there are no easy solutions. And we count on you, the young generation, to kind of de-weaponize disinformation and kind of solve it. When I was a student, I didn't imagine that all these things that I did would even be possible for me. There are roads that I took that I didn't even consider at all, not let alone to see myself walking on them. But this is kind of one of the things that AUBG did for me, was it helped me see what was possible. It helped me start walking on those paths. And something that I will tell the students also in my lecture is that I have been to all these places, like the UN General Assembly and meetings with world leaders and traveling around the world. I have been to these places because of AUBG, and it's AUBG that helped me get there. The world is opening a lot of doors for you, and this university is preparing you for a lot of exciting things to come. So dream big, and don't limit yourself, don't limit your ambitions, and don't think that something is too big, or some job is too impossible to get, or some place is too difficult for you to be, because it's not. This university is preparing you, it's preparing you well, and there are many more lessons to come, and face them with open eyes and an open heart, and things will turn out well.